Guys, I love the Cheesecake Factory. The lemon flavored salmon, the bistro shrimp, the crispy crab bites. Yum. And oh, let's not forget that brown bread. It's really good, right? Yeah, other than Bahama Breeze, the Cheesecake Factory is basically my favorite restaurant. But what I saw the other day when I was doing a Doordash order was enough to drive a preacher wild. Okay guys, so here's how it went down. I started my day around 12 o'clock. I was actually running late that day, so I decided to try to Doordash from home. Let me explain. So Doordash gives you 15 minutes to log into the app. And if you don't log into the app within that 15 minutes, they take your shift away. So I didn't want to lose my shift, so I decided just to try and log in from my house. Lo and behold, it actually worked, because when I was in the middle of putting on my lip gloss, I hear this sound. It's from the Cheesecake Factory. I grab my purse, run out the door. Now once I get to the restaurant, I can't help but to notice how empty it is. I don't think I've ever seen the restaurant that empty, and I'm there all the time. But nonetheless, the app says I have 5 more minutes before the order will be ready, so I decide to kill some time. I walk around and look at the lovely desserts. And then I go to the restroom just to check my lip gloss. So guys, I come out of the lavatory, head over to the kitchen, expecting my Doordash order to be ready, and it's not. But at this point, I'm starting to get a little bothered because it was due maybe like a minute ago. So I'm thinking like, what is going on? There's absolutely no one in this restaurant. What could be the problem? And I happen to just casually look over to my right where the kitchen is, and oh my goodness, what I saw. What in the Jiminy Crickets is going on? This guy is actually eating the food. He's supposed to be cooking the food, boxing it up, and then giving it to me so that I can take it to my customers and then they can eat the food. But this guy's actually in here right before my eyes, smashing the food. And boy, is he smashing it. Now guys, don't get me wrong. I have smashed a dish or 2 or 10 in my lifetime, but really? Is the food that good that even the chefs don't want to let it go? So now what? What am I gonna do? There's nothing left to do, I guess, so I ended up just calling the customer and letting the customer know due to technical difficulties that I would be a little late. So yeah, that's what happened. I stood there maybe like 10 more minutes and then finally the food was ready. But you know what? I'll always wonder in the back of my mind, was that my food the chef was eating, or was it just some sample that they made up? I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright, that's going to do it, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please do click the red subscribe button. And oh yeah, don't forget the bell notifications. See you next time. And by the way, I love you.